We're moving back to the Cambridgeshire fens, but slightly further east, where Matt Golding is rolling winter wheat with a 1987 1594. For this task, it's been fitted with rear stocks, dual wheels, and is working with a 7.3 metre set of Cousins Sidewinder rolls, which the tractor pulls easily. The 1594 is a good original example with below average hours of just 5,500. It was bought new by a local Fenland farm and acquired by the Golding family from an auction in 2013. It's fitted with standard specification wheels and tyres, 14.9 by 24 on the front and 16.9 by 38 on the rear.